it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is Let's Get It Done. Our host is the Proud Life, and today we are not striving for perfection. We are striving to make it better. Today we're working on our entryway and our entryway table, and since I've been selling a lot of things on, me and my husband both has been selling a lot of things on the marketplace, and it goes through the entryway. That's where everybody picks stuff up. So it seems like a piled up mess all the time. All I want to do is decorate my entryway table for spring and give it a quick mop and sweep because it gets a lot of traffic. So come along with me. Remember, you don't have to strive for perfection. Just make it better every day. We're going to start working on our entryway table. I haven't really done it since Christmas. And we've had a lot of things going through the entryway because we've been listing a lot on Marketplace and decluttering a lot of things. So I thought I'd at least get this to be a little bit presentable. Seems like this is a place we're stacking everything we're going to sell. We already have our bunny wreath up. Put our cross here. Okay, now let's just run our mop on the entryway. Okay, here's our entryway table. There's our beautiful spring wreath with the Easter bunny going through it. Actually, I made that. Here's our little bunny. Our little egg arrangement. I also made that last year in a DIY. Our little cross and carrots. Those were from Walmart a couple years ago. The runner was from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. And this is a bunny DIY I did last year with Dollar Tree eggs. Very simple to do. Those are Dollar Tree bunny ears. Just a couple bows. One rose is all I used for the greenery. I think it turned out really cute. And it's just a little better than it was here because I still had our white Christmas tree here undecorated. So we're making it look better, not perfect.